Robinhood just made AI agents legal stock traders. Yes, AI agents, like Claude, like ChatGPT. Now they can buy and sell your stocks, real money, autonomously. In this video, I'll break down everything they announced, what it actually does, and what Robinhood themselves are warning you about. Let's get into it. On May 27th, Robinhood opened its doors to AI. Two products, Agentic Trading and the Agentic Credit Card. CEO Vlad Tenev, quote, "Our mission has always been to democratize finance. Now, that mission extends to AI agents." So what does that actually mean? It works through something called MCP, Model Context Protocol. Think USB-C, but for artificial intelligence. Just like USB-C lets any device plug into any port, MCP lets any AI plug into any service. Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, Codex, any AI that supports it. AI used to just answer questions. Now, with MCP, it can take real actions. Robinhood is one of the first brokers to build this. Here's the flow. You open a separate Robinhood account, a dedicated agentic account, funded with capital you specifically allocate. Then connect your AI. Paste one URL into Claude Desktop, or ChatGPT, or Cursor. Browser auth, done. Now your AI can analyze your portfolio, build strategies, place real trades, autonomously. Your main account stays untouched. But here's what Robinhood's Agentic AI can actually do today. Buy stocks, long positions only, build portfolios, rebalance allocations, run conditional orders, analyze risk. Now, what it can't do yet: no options, no crypto, no futures, no event contracts, no prediction markets, no short selling. Robinhood says all of that is, quote, coming soon. Before you connect AI to your stocks, read this. Robinhood themselves say, quote, "AI agents can make errors, misinterpret instructions, behave in unexpected ways, possible loss of your entire investment. Start small, test with smaller capital before you deploy the real size." One more thing, this is a rolling release. You might not have access yet. Robinhood will email you when it's your turn. Felt fast? Confusing? Don't worry. Next video, I'll walk you through setup, step by step, the exact commands to give your AI, your first trade, live. Subscribe, hit the bell, because when that email arrives, you want to be ready.